look at how to play Merry Christmas Everyone by Shakin Stevens. We're in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret of our guitars. For the intro, we're going to play G for 3 beats, and we'll go to a D chord for 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll play E minor for half a bar, 1, 2, and then C for half a bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We then go back to G, 1, 2. And on the 3 we'll swap to D, 3, 4, single strum of a G. So G, 2, 3, D, E minor, 2, C, 4, G, 2, D, 4, G. After we play the E minor chord, there's a little melody. So we'd have 2 sliding up to 4 on the D, open G, hammer onto 2nd, open B, open G, 4 on the D, open 2 on the G, open G. There's quite a few chord changes in the verse, but we're going to keep the strumming nice and simple, and we're going to strum all down strums in 8th notes, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We'll start off on a G major chord, strum 1 and 2 and 3 and then on the 4 and we'll go to a D. 2 strums, so 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and then to E minor chord for half a bar, 1 and 2 and C, 3 and 4 and. Okay, so far G, 1 and 2 and 3 and D and E minor and C. We're going to go to G with the D on the 4 for 2 bars, so G, 2 and 3 and D and G, 2 and 3 and D and then we'll go back to a G, 1 and 2 and then we've got a B minor chord for half a bar, 3 and 4 and back to an E minor chord, 1 and 2 and C and 4 and G, 1 and 2 and 3 and D and G and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the whole verse. Quite a lot to take in, so take your time and we'll go through it again slowly. So G, 1 and 2 and 3 and D and E minor, 2 and C and G and 2 and 3 and D and G again, 2 and 3 and D and G, 2 and B minor and E minor to C, G, 2 and 3 and D and G. When we go into the chorus, we'll hear this little run, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E minor. So all's happening there is we're playing the G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on the and the 4, we just want to hear the bass going down to the 2nd fret on the low E, this F sharp over G, and then straight into our E minor. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E minor. From the chorus we have E minor, 1 and 2 and C and 4 and G, 2 and 3 and 4 on the D, 4 and E minor again, 2 and C and 4 and then G, 2 and 3 and 4 and full bar of G there, then we go to a D, 1 and 2 and we've got 2 staccato strums on the 3 and on the D chord there. So E minor, 2 and C, G, 2 and 3 and D and E minor and C, full bar of G, 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and da da. So for the outro, we're going to play E minor for half a bar, C for half a bar, G for 3 beats, D for the 4 and the 4 and then we go through that again. So E minor, 1 and 2 and C and 4 and G, 2 and 3 and D and it repeats, 2 and 3 and 4 and G, 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're into the intro part. G, D, E minor, then we can play the C, G, D, G, or after the E minor we can have that. Either way is fine. So G, D, E minor, the melody, or G, D, E minor, C, G, D, G. So there is actually a key change in the song, but if we just move the capo up from 2 to 4, we can play exactly the same chord structure. So for the verse we'd have the G, D, E minor, C, and so on. The outro, E minor, C, G, D, and then the intro to finish the song. G, D, E minor, little riff. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.